Ratchet Salon with guest Jemima Snake Robinson. I'm editing that out.
Okay.
What we're doing, so today we're going to bleach Jemima's hair and then dye it like pastel pink. It might go wrong, which is why we're filming it, to be honest. I'm not ready. Okay. We've got Maximum Blonding Kit. UK's #1 for blonding. Maximum Blonde. Didn't mention that it's maximum.
It says test 48 hours.
Fuck off, no one does that. Okay, and then Jemima's having this. She got me pink!
I'm terrified.
You ready? Are you going first?
I guess so.
Let's go.
I can't find the Yes! They do have a brush. Oh my god.
That makes no sense. Cream peroxide. We're mixing bleach with peroxide and putting it on our hair. It's bubbling. It's blue.
Do an update, bro.
Update. How is the UK's #1 blonde brand for going blonde if Jemima's got hardly any hair and we've used 3 boxes? Let me know.
I look like Lucius Malfoy.
We had to use 3 boxes on this mofo's hair.
Blonde.
Apparently it's blonde, which is what it's meant to do.
I thought it was going to go yellow.
Now I have to wait. Hang on.
90 minutes.
90 minutes. You just have to be happy that there's no yellow in it, because we're gonna dye it pink, and if we dye pink onto yellow, it will get orange.
Orange.
So it's a bit orange.
I hate this.
It looks so much more orange on camera.
I hate this. It looks like a wig.
We're gonna turn it. Elsa, is that you? We had to bleach it and then tone it because it was like so orange. So orange.
I don't hate it.
It's still like orange, but she's not mad at it anymore, which is good because I was getting worried.
You can tell I was getting crippled.
Yeah, yeah, mate. It's showing up yellow on camera, but it's like white. And then it's like, yeah, bitch. Your roots are definitely done, love.
Look,
That's hot.
weird.
Don't you think she looks hotter? I think she looks hotter.
I'm going pink. I'm not staying warm.
No. Hell no.
Hell no. My eyebrows are too dark for that shit. Part 2 begins.
We're going to make it pink now.
Can I do half? Because hairdryer companies are dumb and think everyone has buzz cuts. Looks nice though.
This side's pink. This side's not.
Oh, I just weed a little bit.
We have to go out and buy another box. I'm here with Squashy.
And a drumstick now.
We've got more hair dye. Because Mikey drove us. Saved the absolute day.
I got a bit in the car.
We would be died.
We would be died.
We'd be dead without you, Mikey.
We love you, Mikey.
Well, I wouldn't, she would. We got a bit of what in the car? Oh, I thought you said bleach and I was like...
Sounds like...
Last time we were out in this car.
It looks brown in the camera. Promise you it's pink. My hairdresser over here does everything for free. Legend.
Turn around and be like a fairy.
What, like, do you mean like that? What do you want me to do, like a...
Act like the music.
Hang on,
It's the next day.
This has taken A
like
day.
24 hours. Was it worth it?
I'm scared now
Why?
to go into school. I literally don't care what anyone thinks, but I do.
It's changed your hair so much though. Like, this is what your hair used to look like. And this is it now. It's just the end of the video, isn't it? And none of our friends know because we're surprising them.
Right.
Yeah.
You need to tell her to like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
And come to the Ratchet Salon.
And please come to Ratchet Salon because I would love to fuck up people's hair.
It's free. She fucks it up for free. Although she doesn't fuck it up, clearly. Said last night.
Correct.
That's rude.
No.
Bye, bitches. I can't fucking find the button again.